Welcome to this safety talk on LNG plants maintenance. In this video, we'll be discussing the key safety considerations and best practices to ensure a safe and successful maintenance operation. Regular maintenance is critical to ensure the safe and efficient operation of LNG plants. Maintenance activities include inspections, repairs, and replacements of equipment and infrastructure. However, maintenance activities also pose certain safety risks, such as the potential for leaks, fires, or explosions. That's why it's important to follow strict safety procedures and guidelines to mitigate these risks. Personnel performing maintenance activities should be adequately trained and have a thorough understanding of the equipment and infrastructure they are working on. Emergency response plans should be in place and personnel should be familiar with them to ensure a quick and effective response in case of an accident. Proper ventilation and airflow in the facility are also key considerations. This can help prevent the accumulation of flammable gases and reduce the risk of fires or explosions. Gas detectors, fire suppression systems, and personal protective equipment are necessary to ensure the safety of personnel and minimize the risk of accidents. In addition to safety concerns, there are also environmental considerations to take into account. Maintenance activities can produce emissions and pollutants, so it's important to implement measures to reduce these emissions and minimize the environmental impact. As a consultant or professional in the energy industry, it's important to stay up to date with the latest safety practices and regulations for LNG plants maintenance. Join energycompact.com to gain access to exclusive resources and networking opportunities to advance your knowledge and career. By joining the membership program, you can gain access to the latest research, industry reports, and thought leadership from experts in the field. You can also connect with other professionals in the industry to share best practices and stay informed about the latest developments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Energy Compact on YouTube for more insights and updates on the energy industry, including the latest developments in LNG plants maintenance safety.